Our top story, a second teenage boy will be tried as an adult for the murder of a Charleston tobacco shop worker earlier this year. Bob Aaron found court documents shedding new light on the robbery turned murder of a 19-year-old.
A second teenage boy will be tried as an adult for the murder of Caden Martin, a 19-year-old clerk who was gunned down during a robbery at the tobacco and pipe shop in Charleston, January 30th. Judge Maryclaire Akers ordered Barack Williams, 14 at the time of the shooting, to face the felony murder charge as an adult, along with Brejon Williams Hampton, who was also 14 when Martin was killed. Court documents place Williams outside the store, opening the door several times and taking an item from near the door and putting it in his pocket, while Williams Hampton is inside and the apparent shooter. It appears Williams may have been acting as a lookout, although gunshot residue was found on his hands.
Without going into too much detail about the facts of the case, I will say that this individual was an active participant but was not the triggerman.
The alleged triggerman in this case had already been moved to adult status. Now both teens face a potential life with mercy prison term if convicted. That would mean at least 15 years in custody. Even if a kid is moved to adult status and convicted, courts prohibit a life without parole term for juveniles.
You know, they are very young, and unfortunately we are dealing with a situation where these very young men made very adult decisions that resulted in the life of an innocent person being taken. And so we have no choice but to move forward in pursuing these cases under the criminal jurisdiction of the court.
Court documents note an ice cream bar was among the items stolen in the robbery that took Martin's life, and that an ice cream bar wrapper was found in the backpack, matching the one used by Williams Hampton at the home of Barack Williams. In Charleston, Bob Aaron, Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Bob. And a grand jury will have to indict Barack Williams as an adult before this case can go forward.